In this video, we will see pointer and structure. So just like normal variable address, string variables address and functions address, we can even store the address of structure variable in pointer variable. We can have a pointer to structures where a pointer variable can point to address of a structure variable. Now we will see how to declare pointer variables to store structure variable address. But before that, we will see structure variable declaration. So this is the normal structure variable declaration. So we have taken one structure data type and the name of that data type is student detail, and in that there are two members, that is R number and name. So these are the two members of struct data type, that is student detail, and we have declared one variable, that is stud. So stud is the structure variable, and after that next two lines, that is last two lines, we are trying to access that. So to access the elements, we have to use dot operator. So that is stud dot R number, and even to access the name member, we have to use stud, that is structure variable, and then dot name. There is another way we can declare structure variable. So if you look at this example, so here we have declared structure, that is same name stud detail, and in that there are two elements, that is R number and name. But we have declared variable outside the structure declaration. So we have declared variable, that is stud, separately. So here the syntax for that is struct, then student detail, and then variable name, that is stud. And to access the elements, we have to use same method, that is we have to use dot operator. So this is the normal structure variable accessing method. So now we will see how we can use pointer in the structure. So this is the example for that. So here again we have declared a structure data type with the name same, that is student detail, and then there are two members, that is R number and name. And immediately after declaring data type, that is student detail, we have declared two structure variables, that is stud and ptr. But if you look, stud is a structure variable data type, whereas star ptr is a pointer variable, and the data type is same, that is structure data type. So we have declared two variables, one is stud and the second one is star ptr, that is ptr is a pointer variable. So while accessing based on the address, we are trying to access the elements. So basically pointer variable is used to store the address. So here also we are doing the same thing. The variable, that is stud, and address of that we are trying to save in the pointer variable. So the statement is ptr equal to and stud. To access the members by using pointer variable, we have to use arrow marks, that is hyphen and then greater than symbol. So the statement will be, that is pointer variable ptr, then arrow and then member, that is either r number or you can access name. In normal structure variable, to access we are using dot operator, whereas if you want to access by using pointer variable, you have to use arrow mark. So the same example we can use in different way also. So this is another way. Means basically in previous example we were declaring and creating the variables in same structure, that is while declaring the structure we are trying to create, that is stud and another variable, that is pointer variable ptr. But here we are creating structure variable and pointer variable outside the structure declaration. So the it looks almost similar. There are just slight differences, that is struct student, obviously we are creating one structure data type, and then there are two members, r number and name. And next we have created structure variable and pointer variable separately. Then we are trying to store the address of stud into the pointer variable, that is ptr. And the in similar way we can access the variable, that is ptr, then arrow mark and member name, that is either r number or you can access name. Now we will look one example. So these are the two examples. In first example, that is in red one, we have just declare structure variable and we are trying to access, whereas in second example we are trying to access members by using the pointer variable. So if you look both the examples, declaration is almost similar. Just in the first example we have declared only a structure variable, that is stud, whereas in the second example along with structure variable we have even declared a pointer variable, that is ptr. Next, in the normal structure variable we are directly trying to enter the values, that is roll number and student name, whereas in the pointer variable, that is by using pointer variable, first we are trying to save the address of stud into the ptr. Next, while reading the elements in the first example, that is normal student structure variable, we are using the dot operator and we are using the stud data, that is variable, whereas in the second example instead of using structure variable we are using address of that structure variable, that is ptr, and then to access that we are using arrow operator. Even while printing, in the first example we are using structure variable, that is stud, whereas in the second example instead of using structure variable we are using pointer variable, and for that we are using the arrow mark.